morning students, welcome back to your physics online class. Students, in the last lecture we have studied about the applications. It was third application of dimensional analysis in the last lecture, and the last topic of the last lecture was to find the significant figures in our measured value or in our measurement or the given value. Okay, and we have seen different rules over there for getting the significant figures of our given number. Now two more rules are there. Let's see. I think last was sixth rule. Now see the seventh rule. Rule number 7. Rule number 7. In addition, significant figures in sum or difference of numbers, or two numbers you can write. Now we have to see here the rules for determining the significant figures in the sum of two numbers or in the difference of two numbers. Let's check this rule with an example. See the example. Suppose we have given the two numbers 152.123 and the second one is 105.1 only. See here the number, or you can write here one more. Suppose 15. Now first check the final result. Final result means sum of these two. Suppose we are adding, and also the rule is same for the difference of two numbers also. Now we are checking the sum. 372 point, this is 752. This is the final number. Final means sum of these two. Now see here what is the rule to get the significant figures in our addition of two numbers. The rule says that when we are adding two numbers or we are getting the difference of two numbers, then the final result, this is the final result, should be reported with the same number of decimal places, as that of the original number with minimum number of decimal places. Repeating again, in the sum of these two, to get the significant figures of the final answer, means in the sum of these two, the result should be reported with the same number of decimal places as that of the original number with minimum number of decimal places. Check, these two are our original numbers. ये दोनों आपके original numbers हैं. In the first number there are 3 digits after decimal place. In the second there are just two numbers after decimal place, 2 digits after decimal, and in this 3 digits after decimal. So the minimum decimal places is this one, second number. So rule says that final answer should be also reported with the same number of decimal places. कितने decimal place चाहिए मुझे सिर्फ? Only 2. So the answer will be, the result will be 257.27. And also in this answer we should follow the that one is rounding of a number. After this topic we will start the rounding of a number. So this will be the answer in this question. Question means sum of these two, and the answer is reported now with the significant figures. Okay. Now check the next rule. The last one was for the sum and difference of two numbers, and now let's check the significant figures in the product or quotient of the two numbers, means in division and product multiplication. Now the heading is, next rule is eighth rule, significant figures in product or division. In the product or division. Now check this rule with an example. Let's we have given two numbers, 12 point suppose 156, and we have to multiply this number with 2.15. This is an example. 2 means 12.156 and 2.15, and we have to find the significant figures in the product of these two. So these are our original numbers. In this first original number, how many significant figures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this given number, there are 3 significant figures. Okay. Now product of these two, when you multiply 12.156 with the 2.15, your answer is 26, I think. This should be 26.1354. This is the product of these two, 26.1354. And now see, the result the result should be reported. The rule says that this result should be reported with the same number of significant figures as that of the significant figures of the original number with minimum significant figures. बात समझना, क्वेश्चन रूल क्या कहता है? Rule says that this result should be reported with the significant figures of the original number with minimum significant figures. तो इन दोनों ओरिजिनल नंबर्स में से मिनिमम सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर है 2.15 का. How many significant figures are there? 3. So rule says that also we should report the answer, means product of these two, with just 3 significant figures. So in 3 significant figures, when you round off this number, this will be 26.1 only. Okay, this is our number, result, product of these two, because it also shows 3 significant figures. This is same as that of the original number significant figure with minimum significant figures. Original number के जैसे दो ओरिजिनल नंबर्स हैं, इन दोनों में जिनका सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर कम होगा उसी मिनिमम सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर में ही आपको रिपोर्ट करना होगा आंसर को. दिस इज द रूल. ओके, सो दिस इज अबाउट द सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स एंड द रूल्स टू फाइंड द सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स. नाउ लेट्स चेक द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, round of a number. Round of a number. Rounding of, I think you have studied in chemistry also, rounding of a number, yeah, round of a number. Now see, how will round off a number, yeah, rounding off a number with the suitable significant figures. जस्ट अभी लास्ट टॉपिक हम लोगों ने देखा हुआ है सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स इन द सम ऑफ दी टू नंबर्स और डिफरेंस और इन प्रोडक्ट ऑल्सो इन डिवीजन ऑफ टू नंबर्स. सो डिवीजन, प्रोडक्ट या जितने भी पीछे रूल्स देखे हुए हैं उनमें जब मान लो आपको रिजल्ट को सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स में देना है 4 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स में, तो आगे के नंबर्स को आप क्या करते हैं, ड्रॉप कर देते हैं. जस्ट सी द एग्जाम्पल. suppose the result of product of two number is 125.1256, ठीक है, या 125.1246 और 125.1265, like these numbers. These are the suppose the product of two numbers, and suppose we have to report the answer, we have to report the result in just 5 significant figures. ध्यान देना, हमें रिपोर्ट करना है आंसर 5 significant figures में, 325, 325, 325, इतने ही नंबर को आपको लेना है. 3 4 5 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5, ठीक है. मीन्स वी हैव टू ड्रॉप दीज नंबर्स, आगे के नंबर को ड्रॉप कर रहे हैं आप. सो देयर आर रूल्स ऑल्सो, सम रूल्स आर ऑल्सो फॉर राउंड ऑफ अ नंबर. ये आप क्या कर रहे हैं, वी आर राउंडिंग ऑफ अ नंबर इन जस्ट 5 डिजिट्स, आप या कह दो in 2 decimal place, in 2 decimal places when we rounding off a number. So we have to follow some rules. The dropping digit is 5, or the dropping digit is less than 5, or the dropping digit is more than 5. See in this example, the dropping digit here is 5. In this example, the dropping digit is less than 5. In this example, the dropping digit is more than 5. So for these variations, we have some rules. How to round off a number. See the first rule. In rounding off a number, when the, suppose we have to drop the digit 5, we have to drop, ऐसे कह दो, if the digit to be dropped is equal to 5, यहाँ रख रहे हैं, if the digit to be dropped is 5, जो dropping digit है that is just 5, and followed by a suppose non-zero number, followed by a non, जैसे कि अभी लास्ट एग्जाम्पल में मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ था, is 5 followed by a non-zero digit, ठीक है. See here, then the rule says that the preceding digit, ऐसे कह दो, the preceding digit means पहले वाला, dropping digit से पहले, then the preceding digit should be increased by 1. This is CE, PRECEDING, ठीक है. Then the preceding digit should be increased by 1. This is the rule. क्या रूल है? If the digit to be dropped is equal to 5 and followed by a non-zero digit, see the example, suppose 126.125 and followed by a non-zero digit means suppose 7, ठीक है, like this number. Suppose we have to report the answer in 5 significant figures, इसका मतलब this should be dropping digit, ये हुआ 5 हो गए, 5 digits, and now we have to drop this 5. तो कह रहा है कि if the dropping digit is equal to 5 followed by a non-zero digit, like 7 is the non-zero digit, then the preceding one means 5 से पहले, before just 5, this is the preceding digit, and it should be increased by 1. It means the answer will be 126.13. This is the rounding of this number. कितने significant figures में? In 5 significant figures. या ऐसे कह सकते हो इन 2 डेसिमल प्लेसेस। ठीक है, सम रहेगा 2 नंबर्स का तो देखते हैं वहां पे डेसिमल प्लेस, और अगर प्रोडक्ट या डिवीजन होगा तो वी हैव टू चेक द टोटल सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स। ओके, नाउ let's check the second rule. Now if the digit to be dropped is 5, if the digit to be dropped is 5, then preceding digit is increased by 1 when it is odd. Now check the next rule. This rule says that if the dropping digit is 5 and preceding digit means 5 से पहले वाला, it will be increased by 1 only when it is odd. Like see this example. Suppose 27.15. See the example. 27.15, and suppose we have to report the answer, we have to rounding off this number up to 3 significant figures, या कह दो up to the 1 decimal place only. डेसिमल के बाद सिर्फ एक डिजिट ही चाहिए और इस तरह से हमें राउंड ऑफ करना है. सो द आंसर विल बी 27.2. वाई? चेक द रूल. ड्रॉपिंग डिजिट इज 5. अगर मुझे 5 को छोड़ना है, एंड प्रीसीडिंग वन, दिस इज द प्रीसीडिंग वन, इट विल बी इंक्रीज्ड बाय 1. देखो यहां मैंने एक बढ़ा दिया, ऐसे 1 को 2 कर दिया. क्यों बढ़ा दिया? बिकॉज इट इज ऑड नंबर. 1 इज एन ऑड नंबर. जब 1 ऑड है तो वी कैन इंक्रीज इट बाय 1. एंड द थर्ड रूल सेज दैट this should be remain constant. This should be remain constant means जो मैंने यहाँ पे preceding digit को बढ़ा दिया, ये वही रहेगा when it is even number. Suppose example is there 27.45, 27.45 or 65 or 65. So rule says that if the dropping digit is 5, मतलब आपको आंसर करना है in 3 significant figures, we have to drop the 5 now. और अगर 5 को ड्रॉप कर रहे हैं तो कह रहा है the last preceding one will remain constant when it is odd number. This is even number and 6 is an even number. 6 is an even number और even है, so we don't increase it by 1. तो आंसर इज जस्ट 27.6. ठीक है ना? ड्रॉपिंग डिजिट 5 एंड द प्रीसीडिंग वन इज ऑड, देन वी हैव टू इंक्रीज इट बाय 1. एंड इफ द ड्रॉपिंग डिजिट इज 5 एंड प्रीसीडिंग वन विल नॉट इंक्रीज बाय 1 मीन्स रिमेन कॉन्स्टेंट व्हेन इट इज एन इवन नंबर. दिस इज द रूल. नाउ लेट्स चेक द सेकंड रूल. मीन्स सेकंड नॉट, दिस इज नाउ फोर्थ रूल. Fourth rule. Now if the dropping digit is less than 5, if dropping digit is less than 5, then we left unchanged the preceding digit मतलब when the dropping digit is less than 5, then we left unchanged the preceding digit. Example 56.14. and now we have to suppose report the answer in 3 significant figures. मतलब हमें सिर्फ 3 significant figures लेने हैं. So we have to drop the 4 and this 4 is less than 5, and the rule says that when the dropping digit is less than 5, we don't need to increase this preceding one. It means answer will be 56.1 only. Answer will be 56.1 only. And the last rule, fifth rule, says that if the dropping digit is more than 5, if the dropping digit is more than 5, then we या कह दो then the preceding digit should be increased by 1. See the example now. If now our product is, your result is 56.47, and suppose we have to report the answer in 3 significant figures, means we have to drop the 7 now. So rule says that if the dropping digit is more than 5, then the preceding means just before the 7, we have to increase it by 1. Means answer will be 56.5. So these are the rules to get the round of a number up to given decimal place, up to the given round significant figures. This is about the rounding of a number. Now see here the next topic. Very important term is there. The difference between accuracy and precision. Now let's check the difference between these two terms, accuracy and precision in measurement, in measured value and in our measurement. So let's take the first, accuracy. Students, accuracy refers to the closeness of the measurement to the true value. In a just single line you can define what is accuracy in our measurement. Accuracy in our measurement refers to the closeness of the measurement with the true value. True means the actual value of the measuring article. Suppose this is the line, or suppose this is a rod, and its actual value means true length, you can say true length is 125.176 centimeter. Suppose this is the actual value, actual measurement, या उसे बोलते हैं आप true value. ठीक है? And now suppose there is a measurement of the length of this rod, and it comes 125.17, yeah, you can say 15, and the second observation is 126.156. See here the example. Original value, the original length of the rod is 125.176 centimeter, and the two observations are there with two different instruments is 125.15 centimeter and L2 is 126.156. So between these two observations, which one is closer to the true value, original value? Yes, L1. First observation, 125.15 centimeter. This is very close to the true value. or you can say the actual value. So this is more accurate than this L2. इन दोनों को कंपेयर करेंगे, so L1 is more close to this original value, so L1 is more accurate number. Okay, and the accuracy, you can say the accuracy of the given value depends on significant figures also. It will discuss later how it depends on significant figures, but just remember what is accuracy. Accuracy means the closeness of the measurement means measured value to the true value. Okay, this is the accuracy. Now see the next term, that is precision. Now see here the next term, that is precision. Students, precision refers to the limit or resolution of the measurement. Okay, up to which we are measuring. Means, see the example. Again I am repeating, precision in our measurement refers to the resolution or limit to which we are taking the measurement. See the example again. Suppose the true value is again L equals to 56.1578 centimeter. This is our true value. And two observations are there. One is 55.157 and second one is 51.1. Yeah, you can write to 568. 9. See now these two observations. The original value 56.1578 centimeter, 56.1578 centimeter. L1 means first observation 55.157 centimeter, and the L2 is 51.5689 centimeter. So अभी just मैंने पीछे दिखाया accuracy. So you can write here कि L1 is more accurate than L2. L1 is more accurate than L2, but L2 is more precise value than L1. Here, the L2 observation means the second observation of length. We have 4 digits after decimal place, and in the first just 3 digits after decimal place. So L2 is, this is called L2 is more precise value. या कह दो the resolution of the instrument using by which we are observing the second observation L2, the instrument is more precise. The instrument is more precise. You can say that the device has more resolution. ठीक है? So this is the precision. Precision means बता दिया मैंने, it refers to the, again I am repeating, the means precision refers to the limit or you can say resolution, है ना? Limit or resolution to which the quantity is measured. Resolution बोलते हैं उसको या limit बोलते हैं, या ऐसे अब easy language समझ लो, decimal place, डेसिमल के बाद जितने ज़्यादा डिजिट्स यहाँ पे मेजर किया जा रहा है, ऑब्जर्व किया जा रहा है, इट इज मोर प्रिसाइज. ठीक है, या मोर शार्प कह सकते हो. दैट डिवाइस इज, दैट इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज मोर शार्प. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एक्यूरेसी एंड प्रिसीजन. इन द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, in tomorrow's means in the next tutorial, we will start the next topic, that is error in or measurement. Error in measurement. Next tutorial में, next lecture में we will start this topic. Okay, so for today's lecture this is sufficient, and for watching this video thank you very much, and God bless you. Keep learning, keep studying. Thank you very much.